secure in standard. Less cost for the basic, more cost for the standard. So when you take the basic, both the VM must be part of availability set. Okay, remember when you're creating a basic, and these two VMs should be part of an availability set. So we'll talk about what even availability set and how to create it. So how it would be, I'm just going to show you here. Okay, this is my VM1, this is my VM2. Okay, and you created web application here. You created web application here. And both the, if we are going to managing for load balancer basic, and this has to be bringing it to the availability set. This is availability set underscore load balancer, and in this availability set you to define for this VM and VM2, and this both the VMs are going to connecting my load balancer. This is your load balancer. Load balancer, and you have to have a, in this you are defining for this all front end IP address, backend pool, health probe and role. Okay, and then the end user trying to accessing over the internet. This is going to hit into that is in front end IP address, and that front end IP address is in part of a load balancer. And then this load balancer has to have a managing to distribute the traffic. Either he has to connecting VM1, either he has to connecting to the VM2. But this load balancer responsibility is to reach out to this health probe, has to give the information to that health probe, has to have the communication between VM1 and VM2. All the time is getting the checking for the status. If something goes wrong for this VM1 and VM2, that update information goes to load balancer. Then he has to define the or distribute the traffic to the VM2 to end user accessing. End user doesn't matter how many VMs are using, and ultimately he should be able to access the web applications. Clear this point? And practical we'll do for the tomorrow. It would require some testing and everything, need some time, and we'll talk about tomorrow. Any question in this? So we would be creating for the 2 VM, we'll be creating a availability set, and we'll creating load balancer. We have these all component, and we'll verify, we'll prove that, and we will down the VM1. Okay, we will down the VM1, and earlier if the end user connecting to the VM1 for his web application, and after we will verify this VM1 that my entire load balancer should be distribute the traffic to the VM2. The next time when you try to accessing, the traffic should go to the VM2, because after VM1 this application should be diverting to VM2. Correct? Yes or no? Agreed?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a load balancer topic. So we'll complete this load balancer topic. Few more topics are for the network security. So far we creating the NSG, creating application security group and load balancer. In we are connecting for the so far for the public IP address, right? Whatever the resource we are trying to accessing VM, RDP, web applications, all we are accessing the public IP address, correct? Over the internet. Yes or no? But do you recommend this is a secure way using the public IP address?
No, it's not secure.
Now, how we accessing after COVID? We are trying to access. We are working from home, correct? How we are accessing office network from home?
VPN.
VPN. What is that VPN here? Which is called, why VPN we needed for virtual private network? How does it works here? It will convert public IP address to connecting to the private IP address, office private IP address, right? The moment you install the moment you connecting the VPN, your laptop should be connecting to the office network, correct? The office network would be in the private. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is we call as a point to site connections. And we also talk about Bastion service for the. So once it is done, then we are going to end up with our Azure networking topic. We'll talk about the new services. You might have heard about point to site, how it is going to connecting and all, right? Practically, we would be going to do all these things. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Sir, can I ask you?
Go ahead.
Yeah. So, what are the day-to-day tasks like for someone who has done ISO 104? What are their day-to-day tasks?
In the cloud administrator?
Yeah.
We'll talk tomorrow. We'll discuss. There are lot many things are there. Depends on the experience also that be defined for your roles. Okay, and it would be, you are completely global administrator. You have all the access. You can do it. And in the cloud itself has you have a different designation, different tasks. You will not be going to do entire things. But you should be a cloud administrator. But you should know that all network topic, storage topic, and Active Directory topic, right? Subscription topic, rollback access control topic, everything you should be aware about. Getting?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll talk about. Good to go?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for today time. I'll share this recorded file, and Amit will share you the recorded session. Please go through and complete the lab, and then we'll talk about the new service, new topic. Bye-bye.
Thank you.